Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page's name on 2024 from PC. It will work for Android mobile or another iOS mobile also. First of all, search pages, click over it, then there all pages list will be shown. You have to click that Facebook page which you want to change the Facebook page name. I'm selecting it, but there is no editing option here, so you have to switch into your page name. To take more actions, click switch, then again click switch. And we're seeing that switching your After switching your page, you have to search where the settings option. You can go from left side settings, or you can go settings from right side top corner your profile, then click settings and privacy, click your profile, then settings and privacy, then again click settings, then search here name, click name, and you're seeing that your page name, click view, select edit. Now type your name. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. You have to remind it. Many problems occurs there. Many people try to change within 60 days. You won't be able to change your Facebook name within 60 days. You have to wait minimum 60 days after change one page name, then review change. If you are happy with your new name, please enter your password. Then let's click request change. Reload your face. Now my Facebook page name has been changed successfully. I'm going to check it from my profile. We're seeing that my Facebook page name has been changed. So that's all. Thanks for watching.